In this problem, we need to determine whether the graph of 6x minus 2y equals to negative 2, y equal 3x minus 4 are parallel perpendicular. So that is the first line. 6x minus 2y is equal to negative 2. And the second line, y equals 3x minus 4. To determine whether the two lines are parallel or perpendicular or neither, we need to find the slope. This equation is written in the standard form. It's written in the form of ax plus by is equals c. To find the slope of any equation written in standard form, it will be negative a over b. So the slope of a line which is written in standard form is equal to negative a over b. So from this equation we can find that m is equals negative a, which is equal to negative 6, over b, which is negative 2. So the slope now will be equal 3. That is m1. From the second line we can find the slope. This equation is written in the form of mx plus b. So m2 now will be equals to 3. Because m1 is equals to m2, then the two lines are parallel. So to determine whether the two lines are parallel or perpendicular, you need to find the slope. If the two slopes are equal, then the two lines are parallel. If the product of two slopes are equal to negative 1, then the two lines are perpendicular. If the two slopes not equal and their product is not equal to negative 1, then the two lines are not parallel and not perpendicular. In this problem, we need to determine whether the graph of the line y equals 5 and x equals 3 are parallel or perpendicular with explanation. So that is the first line, y is equals to 5. And the second line, x is equal to 3. We said before y equals to 5, it's represented by a line parallel to x-axis and a cut y-axis at the point 5. So we have now a horizontal line. For the line x equals 3, it's represented by a line parallel to y-axis and a cut x-axis at the point 3, so it's represented by a vertical line. So for any vertical line and the horizontal line, the two lines now are perpendicular. So the y equals 5 and the x equals 3 are perpendicular lines. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line which passing through the point negative 4 and 6 and perpendicular to the graph of the line 2x plus 3y equals 12. As we said before, to write the equation we need to find the slope. So from the first line, that is the first line that we have, with the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. This line is written in the form of ax plus by equals c. We said before this equation is called standard form. To write the slope in standard form, it will be negative a over b. So to find the slope, it will be negative 2 over 3. That is the first slope. Because the two lines now are perpendicular, so the first one is negative, the second will be positive. The first one is 2 over 3, the second will be 3 over 2. So we have the slope of the second line, and this line is passing through the point negative 4 and 6. Now we can write the equation. The equation y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 6 is equals 3 over 2 times x minus negative 4, which is plus 4. By simplifying, we're adding 6. So y equals 3 over 2x, 3 over 2 times 4, which is equal to 6, plus 6. Then y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 12. Write an equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passing through the point 4 and 7 and perpendicular on y-axis. Perpendicular on y-axis, it's mean parallel to x-axis, because any line perpendicular on y is parallel to x. So parallel to x, so the equation y equal, what is the value of y? Y equals to 7. In the next tutorial we'll know how to find the inverse of the function.